Today is the first video we do this new year, 2017. And the owner going to Carson. And Carson, the owner and the floor belong to you. You are going to talk about what? Tell us.
Rocks and minerals. Well, only minerals.
Okay, only minerals, that's enough. Go ahead. Present to us.
So, minerals are everywhere. And you can find them in places like your countertop and in the earth. A mineral has certain things that make a mineral a mineral. First of all, they have to be inorganic.
And what is inorganic? What is organic and what is inorganic?
Organic means that
everything based upon carbon used to be living things. That's organic.
Organic means that they used to be living things. Inorganic means they never were a living thing.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So, and the next thing that makes a mineral is they have to occur in nature. Then they have to be a solid.
In room temperature. In normal temperature.
And they have to have a certain chemical composition.
Okay, you don't have to write, you just present to us, that's fine, because we are running out of time today.
They also have to have a certain chemical structure. There are different characteristics that all minerals have that are different. One thing is color, texture, streak, which means when you rub it against a hard thing, what it leaves. Hardness, how hard it is. And a person named Mohs made a scale on hardness for minerals from 1 to 10. And fracture, that means
good. When you finish that, we do chemical elements.
Okay.
Did you finish?
Fracture and cleavage. Lustre means how much light it reflects, and density.
What is density? Give me a definition.
Density is
how much material in a limited volume space. Okay. You're doing wonderful.
And some other facts about minerals are there are 4,000 different types of them. And rocks are actually made of minerals. And a lot of people like to collect minerals as a collection.
So did I encourage you to do that as a hobby? Are you going to do that? You're thinking about it, right? Okay. So we'll start from very humble beginning, from 1 or 2, okay? What mineral, if you collect, you want to collect, Which one you think about right now? Don't talk about diamond, okay?
Pyrite.
Pyrite, why?
Because
what pyrite would look like, tell her. Tell Claire.
I think gold?
Pyrite, fool's gold.
Oh.
Why is it called fool's gold?
Because many people get fooled by it to think it's gold.
What is the chemical composition?
I think it's
that was before, that was the last year. So I teach you last year. What is this? Tell us, what chemical element is this?
Isn't that 2 elements?
Yeah, what is this? I told you last time, but we haven't learned to this one yet.
Iron.
Wow, what's this?
Oxygen.
Yeah. That means iron that has been oxidized. Okay? Okay. So the same chemical element of rust. Okay. So it looks like, oh no, that's wrong. That is rust. That's sulfur. So with sulfur, it's like gold because it's yellow color. So you're doing wonderful. Now, did we finish this presentation?
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. Now, first 20 elements. You cannot see that. Hopefully, you cannot see that and name the names. First 20 chemical elements, if you can read them. 10 is okay. 10 is wonderful. 20 is better. Go.
Hydrogen is number 1. Helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, nitrogen.
Carbon.
Oh no, carbon,
Fluorine, carbon.
nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon.
Beautiful.
Sodium.
That's top 10. Wonderful. And that's 11. Keep on going.
Magnesium, I forgot.
That's already, think about how old are you? You're not 10 yet, right?
9.
You're 9-year-old. He's almost 10. Now, tell me anything you know about the first 10 elements. One after another. Tell us as much story as possible. Tell us the story behind it. Go. First 10 chemical elements. Yes, anything you know. Hydrogen. For example, hydrogen, balloon, so on and so forth. Go ahead.
Hydrogen is a gas, and it's the raw material of the sun.
Yes.
Helium is also a gas, and it's what the sun produces.
Yeah, nuclear fusion.
Lithium is a alkali metal.
What is the alkali metal? What if you throw that into the water?
It's gonna react. And
How react?
Explode.
That means react violently.
Beryllium is a strong metal, but it's highly toxic.
Oh, what toxic mean?
Poisonous. Boron is a alkaline metal too, and carbon is the, I think.
Tell us, where do you see carbon in this room?
We're made of carbon.
Wow.
The table is.
Yes.
And pretty much everything that's living on Earth is carbon-based.
Yes. We are carbon-based animal. Okay.
Yeah, organic.
Organic. We're organic. That's good job. Good. Wonderful.
Nitrogen is one thing that plants need
Wonderful.
to survive.
I need get nitrogen fertilizer, organic, hopefully, for my garden. Okay.
And
Wonderful.
oxygen is in the air we breathe.
Can you tell us about photosynthesis? You didn't prepare this one. We learned this by half a year ago. What is the process of photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is where the leaves of a plant receive sunlight and converts it into energy.
Convert into what?
Sugar.
Beautiful. Sugar in the plant, so we can eat, right? So we can survive. Beautiful. Keep on going. Fluorine.
And fluorine is
Where what?
in toothpaste.
Beautiful. Is that poisonous or not poisonous?
I think poisonous.
Then why you are using toothpaste? Are your mom even poison you?
No.
Why? Then why?
Because it's with other elements.
That's right. And also, we are using it in small amount, not enough to kill us. Anything can kill us, like food. Too much food is killing. Okay, go ahead.
And neon is an element where you put it in a light, and when you put it in light, the light turns orange.
Why it was called noble gas? Why?
Because it doesn't react with anything.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Which is contrary to this dude reacting violently. This one doesn't react. They are different, right? Beautiful. Alkaline metal and noble gas. Did I tell you what noble means? What does noble mean? What noble mean? Clara. Nobleman, what that mean? Well, somebody is a nobleman. What noble mean?
Do you mean N-O-B-L-E?
Yes. N-O-B-E-L. Noble gas. Nobleman. Forget it. Aristocratic man. Noble gas don't fooling around with other people, right? Can you tell me anything else you know about chemistry? Anything you like about chemistry process? For example,
Like about chemistry?
Yeah, what other elements you like? You can tell us. From 11 to 20. If you still memorize anything.
I know sodium.
Good.
And chloride, which I think is 17.
Good job.
Makes salt.
NaCl, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is Na? What is Cl?
Na is sodium and Cl is chloride.
Beautiful. NaCl is table salt. Is this one poisonous?
Yes.
Is this one poisonous?
Highly.
When they put them together, are they going to kill us?
No.
Because we eat them every day, right? We cannot live without an NaCl, but separate them, they're highly toxic, can kill us. Beautiful. What else?
I remember.
What is this guy?
Silicon.
Tell us anything you know about silicon. Silicon Valley.
No, I don't know.
没给我砸太大牌了啊！这个不错，这两个教育家呀，这可不是容易过来的。
I don't know.
Okay, because later on